Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier voicemail is active and your SIM is in place. This allows setup to complete. Once done, make sure your battery is above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data so messages download reliably. Open the Samsung phone app and go straight to the voicemail tab or long press the keypad 1 shortcut. This begins the mailbox initialization. You'll be prompted to create a PIN and greeting as the carrier authenticates your line. Now you'll set up security and identity. Follow the carrier prompts to choose a 4 to 6-digit PIN so only you can access messages. Write it down temporarily if needed. Next, record a concise, professional greeting. Speak slowly and keep it under 30 seconds so callers know who reached. If your Samsung supports visual voicemail, enable it in settings to get message lists and transcripts. This saves time and shows attachments without calling into the carrier mailbox. Finish by learning to manage messages. Tap an entry to play, save, delete, or call back directly from visual voicemail. These controls keep your inbox tidy. If messages don't appear or voicemail won't initialize, toggle airplane mode or restart the phone, then clear the phone app cache in settings. That often forces re-registration. Finally, if problems persist, contact your carrier. Ask them to re-provision voicemail or confirm the voicemail number so the Samsung app can link correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.